Reno here, and today I'm just getting some gloves because I'm going outside again, so one sec. Okay, so now we're just going downstairs, and I got my gloves on. Yeah, I got my gloves on. So now we're going outside. I did 2 videos just before this. It was on Red No Coolness. Oh, sorry guys, I dropped you. It was on Red No Coolness. I'm just reminding you guys that, so you guys go check that out. It's 2 videos actually, 2. So let's get to the bike ride. So there's the bike. Now we're picking it up and we're leaving. Let's go, guys. So I think we're gonna go to my friend Zach's house right now. I don't know if he is home, but the truck is there, so I assume he's home. I think I'm gonna call my friend Tyler after this video if Zach's not there. That's what I think I'm going to do. This is his house. Sort of big, not as big as mine. So, I'll see you dudes in a second. Okay guys, so it looks like they're not home. So let's go. Sometimes Zach can get to be a crybaby sometimes. To be honest with you guys, I really didn't even knock on the door because I didn't want to play with him. I was bored. So I think I'm going to call my friend Tyler in a little bit. Get him to come outside, play some Pokemon Go. I'll record that. Shove it on Red No Coolness though. So you won't see it on this channel. You'll see it on Red No Coolness. That's where I'm going to start posting my actual things. Here's my house. But we're turning around and we're leaving. Okay, so as we go now, we're passing some people. So as we're going, we're going. So I think we're almost there. We have a little ways to go. I think I will see you guys when I get there. I just have to pause you quick. I'm gonna start going fast. We'll ride no-handed. Okay guys, never mind, I'm not going to pause it. I'm just going to turn around. I think I'm going to leave. I might actually just go home, relax, chill out, call my friend Ty, see if we can come outside, see if we can do some Pokemon Go hunting. But, well, that's just a little short vlog. So I'll see you dudes in the next video. Make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like. And I guess peace.